I wouldn't have guessed this was possible. To break a record of flying 2,000 drones at the same time controlled by a single computer, it's quite amazing to see.
When we heard about the 50th anniversary celebrations for Intel, we said, how do we contribute to that? How do we make it big? And getting the Guinness World Record is really special for all of us.
So the Intel Shooting Star drone is a drone dedicated for light shows. It doesn't have any sensors, it doesn't have any cameras. It only has an LED underneath.
We designed the Intel Shooting Star system where we could fly a limitless amount of drones. Every single time we do a show, it's quite unique. This one is really special. You'll see the history of Intel in the night sky.
All of you is in position? VRT in position. 3, 2, 1, launching.
What I like the most about this project is that it doesn't really matter whom you show it to. Everyone looks at it and loves it. They are all excited.
I can now announce that you have broken the current Guinness World Records title for the most unmanned aerial vehicle.
I'm overcome with gratitude. We have an amazing team that always is focused on how do we make sure that we give the best experience to the audience.
Experiencing the scale, the sheer number of lights up there, I guarantee you get goosebumps.